And we have more news coming in. Sharad Pawar has hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, says narrative change from Modi government to Bharat Sarkar. Prime Minister Pawar has in fact said Bhatakti Atma, has given a Bhatakti Atma counter to Modi. My Bhatakti Atma will not leave you, says Sharad Pawar. Let's take a listen.
मोदी कभी भारत सरकार कधी वेळेस होते मोदी सरकार मोदी गॅरंटी आजची मोदी गॅरंटी राहिली नाही आजचे मोदी सरकार राहिले नाही आज तुम्ही लोकांनी तुमच्या लोकशाहीच्या मताच्या अधिकाराच्या जोरावर मोदींना सांगावं लागेल की हे मोदी सरकार नाही
All right, Saurav Akhtania is getting asked more details. The opposition has been at it as far as the oath-taking ceremony and the allocation of portfolios here is concerned, isn't it, Saurav?
Well, absolutely. And let me tell you then, this is a direct war between the opposition and the NDA. And most importantly, it's Sharad Pawar who is now taking on the BJP and the NDA. And we know that how Sharad Pawar is the political Chanakya, and he has made sure that how he got around 7 to 8 seats in the Lok Sabha. And here in this particular meeting, he clearly said that Modi once told me that I am Bhatakti Atma, and this Bhatakti Atma is not going to leave you. The clear message that for the upcoming assembly election, Sharad Pawar and his party is all ready to take on the BJP and the NDA alliance in Maharashtra, because let me tell you, Maharashtra assembly election will be started in November to December, just 4 to 5 months from now. And all eyes are on the assembly election, because the way MBA have got the majority, they have got good mandate from the people. So it will be very tough fight for the Mahayuti of the BJP, Shiv Sena and the Ajit Pawar's NCP. He also clearly said that how earlier Modi used to say about the Modi Sarkar, Modi guarantee, but now he is saying Bharat Sarkar. So clearly a message is right given by Sharad Pawar himself that he is going to fight against the NDA, the BJP in the upcoming Maharashtra assembly election, and is going to leave no stone unturned.
I'm going to thank you, Saurav, for getting us those details. Saurav, with that story on Sharad Pawar hitting out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that the narrative has changed from Modi Sarkar to Bharat Sarkar.